What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can get your YouTube channel's video as a sticker for Instagram stories. If you guys want to promote your videos on Instagram, and this is probably the best way by putting your video thumbnail and the title and everything as a sticker on Instagram stories. So let's get to it. This is how you do it the easiest, fastest way. So this only works for the iPhone in the App Store. I'm gonna leave a link to this app in the description below. It's free. All right, it's called YT Sticker. After you guys download it, just click on it. Now there's a pro version and the free version. Now the free version, it still lets you do it, which I'm about to show you. Now this is how it works. So basically you connect your channel, and then you want to click on your video that you guys want to promote. So let's say I want to promote this one. Click on it. Then right here it gives you some options. Do you want to hide the title for your sticker? All right, do you want to show your channel name? Do you want to remove the watermark? Now to remove the watermark, you need to have the premium version or whatever, but it still lets you do this. And then you guys want to go to Instagram. By the way, follow me on Instagram at SirLewisBR. Then go to your stories. I'm just gonna take a photo of anything, my keyboard. All right, and then this is how you put the sticker in the best way. Go to the text section and then just paste it on it, just like that. And you guys could make it bigger, resize it, do anything you guys want with it. It's truly that easy, guys. I mean, what I love about it is that it has the title, it has at the top watch on YouTube, and it has your thumbnail perfectly. Now if you get the premium version, you get rid of the watermark, and you can literally do this in your videos anytime. And then you just press send, and then you can make it as your story. It's that easy and it's that fast, guys. Now there are other things to this app as well. If you guys click right here in the middle, there are some stickers here too that are pretty good to have in your stories. As you guys can see, once you guys reach 1K views, 10K subs, 1K, 20K, so all these milestones, you guys can have it in your stories. You can promote it and just build an audience. This is the app, guys. It's free. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, promoting your YouTube channel using your phone, and also making thumbnails on your phone, making reaction videos on your phone, and all this stuff, just look at the end screen, as you guys can see over here. And you guys can also look at the comments. There should be some videos related to this topic in the comments pinned, and also in the end screen. So thank you guys again. I love you guys, and catch you in the next video that you guys click on. Peace.